Welcome to Modern Algos, your ultimate destination for trading and investing solutions. Today, we're diving into the world of automated trading, focusing on understanding various approaches to set target and stop loss parameters in technical trading. Let's get started. First, log into Modern Algos and access the technical trading section. Next, choose your desired symbol and integrate an indicator for analysis. Then, click on the Auto Trade button located at the top right corner. Here, specify your entry and exit conditions as well as your trade parameters. After that, define the overall strategy's target and stop loss. Here, we can have various scenarios. Let's discuss them in detail. Scenario 1. Define fixed profit and stop loss. For example, you set a fixed profit of 1000 rupees and a stop loss of 600 rupees. This means that when the overall strategy's profit reaches 1000 rupees, all positions will close, or if the strategy's loss reaches 600 rupees, it will close. Scenario 2. Define lock profit. In this scenario, say for instance, you set a fixed profit of 1000 rupees with X as 750, Y as 500 and a stop loss of 600. When the profit reaches 750 rupees, it locks at 500 rupees. If the profit then falls to 500 rupees, the strategy will book the profit and close. Alternatively, if the profit reaches 1000 rupees, it will close the strategy, or if the loss hits 600 rupees, the strategy will close. Scenario 3. Defined trail profit. Here, say you set a fixed profit of 1000 rupees with X as 500, Y as 300 and a stop loss of 600. For every increase in profit by 500 rupees, the minimum profit will trail by 300 rupees. For instance, when the profit reaches 1500 rupees, 1000 plus 500, the minimum profit will trail to 1200 rupees, that is 1500 minus 300. If the profit reaches 2000 rupees, the minimum profit will trail to 1700 rupees, that is 2000 minus 300. Scenario 4. Defined trailing stop loss. In this scenario, say you set a fixed profit of 1000 rupees with X as 200, Y as 100 and a stop loss of 600. For every increase in profit by 200 rupees, the stop loss will trail by 100 rupees. This means when the profit reaches 200 rupees, the stop loss will move from 600 to 500 rupees. If the profit reaches 400 rupees, the stop loss will move to 400 rupees. And once the profit reaches 1000 rupees, the strategy will book profit and close. Scenario 5. Defined lock and trail profit. This scenario combines both locking and trailing profits. Say you set a fixed profit of 1000 rupees with X as 750, Y as 400, A as 500, B as 300 and a stop loss of 600. When the profit reaches 750 rupees, it locks the minimum profit at 400 rupees. Subsequently, when the profit reaches 1500 rupees, that is 1000 plus 500, the minimum profit will move to 1200 rupees, that is 1500 minus 300. For every incremental 500 rupees over the fixed profit, the minimum profit will increase by 300 rupees. Once all your conditions and parameters are set, click the Live Trade button to start your strategy. The customized strategy is now accessible in the dashboard. This demonstration provides just a glimpse into the power of automating your trading strategies. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into building strategies based on various technical indicators in our upcoming videos. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and trading tips. Happy trading!